Ace had a brilliant idea. Let's create a magical puppet show. Dejani, Ace, and Zoe gathered socks, buttons, and colorful fabric. With giggles and glue, they made silly, wiggly puppets. Suddenly, Ace waved a sparkly wand, and the puppets sprang to life. They danced, sang, and told funny stories, amazing the friends. Dejani's puppet did a silly dance, Zoe's puppet sang a goofy song, and Ace's puppet juggled buttons. The room filled with laughter and wonder. When the show ended, everyone clapped and cheered. Please like and subscribe.